So you want to put nice rims on your truck. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. This is obviously a stock tire, and you know you can't really fit anything on your stock height F-150, so no one wants anything ugly like that. Everyone wants a nice rim. These are 20 by 10s on 33s by 12.5s, and they won't fit on a stock height. So I already leveled this side. We filmed it for you guys. We're gonna do a before and after so you can see the difference, and we're gonna go do the other side, film it for you too, and I hope you guys enjoy. Take off the rotor caliper and the dust shield, and now we're just going to be working on all the suspension. So that was like something with the so usually to do this part, to release the four-wheel drive is you know, people have these kind of pumps. I have a electric one right there. It's just a 13 millimeter. So what you want to do is you want to release the hoses in the back, and there's going to be a big nipple and a little one. You want to attach it to the big nipple, and as you can see right now, when I move this hub, it moves the axle, and when I turn it on, it doesn't. So it's released from four-wheel drive. So that's it. I mean, you can use a simple one like this. I have this electric one, which is, I just happen to have it. Okay, got that. So far we got that axle off. We got the upper control arm off. We got the sway bar off, the control arm, and now I got the lower ball joint off. Now we're gonna work on the strut. Everything's loose. So hopefully when I loosen the bottom, it the whole assembly will kind of lower down, and it's just another 3 bolts I believe up here, and then we can take out the strut and pull the leveling kit in.
Yeah, it's loose, you just gotta pull it up. There it is.
Okay. There we have the strut. Finally. Okay.
As you'll see, upside down, or sit clean out. Now,
So a new strut spacer on the strut using that. Oh shoot. Oh no. Okay.
So A out's out on the driver's side?
So A out on the driver's side. When you install the strut, A out should be facing you. On the passenger side, when you install it, B out should be facing you when you put it in. So driver's side, A out when you put it in. So it doesn't matter how you put it on, as long as you match these up, the inner ones, to the strut. And then once you put it on, it doesn't matter, you know, what direction it is. Once you put it on, lock it up, then you just find A out and simply just put it in.
What about these studs?
These studs, you want to put them to the lowest, basically the closest to A out. So you see how this, in these two holes, this one's closest, and this one's closest out of these two. Okay. So for B out, it'd be the same thing. If it was B out, I'd put it here, here, side, here. Yeah. Okay. So you just want to do the closest hole to the side that you're putting in. Yeah. Okay. See? To know if we did this right, because you can damage by tightening it. To know if you did it right is if you take a look and you see your axle's not moving, and you shut it off, you hear the gear drop, and now as you can see, when I turn, it moves the axle. basically when you're putting everything back together, recheck every bolt that you touched, everything that you touched, make sure you retighten it. Your speed sensor, make sure you put that back in. You know, just anything you touch, just make sure you retighten it, because you know, when you're doing a lot of stuff, you always forget. Just make sure everything's tight. There you go. Finished the truck, everything's done. Took a while to figure out the other strut to put in, but everything is good now. It's just too dark to show you guys how it came out. It looks really nice. It's pokes out, fits, the fitment's perfect. Rubs a little bit, but you know, you just gotta trim a little bit. But other than that, hopefully tomorrow we can get some shots of the truck, put it in this video so you guys can see the before and after of the stock wheels and the 20x10 on 33s. And thanks for watching, and subscribe. Thanks.